Hi everyone, my name is Mallory and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you of the January curlBOX. If you don't know what curlBOX is, this is a $25 a month subscription. And it always comes with some really good full-size products. So if you're a person that's new to the natural hair community, you don't really know what products to try, want to try new things, get this. Or if you're a product junkie like me, I'd rather spend $25 a month and have products coming to my door. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Now I will say, unfortunately, I already know what's inside of it. Because I do live in an area, I normally get my curlBOXes pretty early after they're shipped. So before you get like a detailed email about what's in the box, or before they post it on social media, I normally have mine. So I'm normally really surprised. But we've had some weather here in Atlanta and it got delayed, so I already know, but I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump in. What you get in your curlBOX is always a really pretty brochure with a model, and what this is going to do is also give you a breakdown, you can see that, of what's inside. So it comes with that, pink tissue as always, bubble wrap, play with that later. All right, so let's see, what do we have? So everything in this month's box is from Creme of Nature, and it's their new coconut milk line. So I'm so excited for this month's box because I almost went to Walgreens and bought some of these, but I was like, no, let me wait, and then here it is. So first thing we have is the Creme of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in. So we have that, and then again, it's a full size. How many ounces is this? 11.5 ounces. So this is actually a lot. The next thing we have is the Hydrating Curl Cream. Ooh, can't wait to try that. Again, 11.5 ounces. So you see, you're really getting a lot for $25 because I don't know how much all this would be in the drugstore. The Quench foaming mousse. Yeah, baby, excited about that. We get the Essential 7 treatment oil, repair oil and moisture protein. Ooh, check that out. Also, edge control. Everyone is coming out with their own edge control now, and I actually don't really wear edge control a lot, but I'll try it. And then this baby. Okay, I'm really excited. I just threw the box over there. I'm really excited about this. Like a Detangle Brush. Let me go ahead and take it out. You can see, well, some of my bristles are a little bent. That's fine. We're about to do a lot of bending. Okay. A lot of people will shampoo their hair with this and kind of really get to their scalp, get that buildup off. That's going to help your hair grow, and then also detangling and deep conditioning. I am so excited about this brush. This is what it looks like. Here. I'm just going to play with this for a second. All right, so that is 6 items from Creme of Nature for $25 a month. Y'all, that is not bad at all. So I will say the one thing that I'm really excited to try is going to be the mousse. I haven't used mousse in a really long time. Normally when I used to use mousse is when I was like washing my hair at night, because I know my hair dries really fast with this on. But I'm so excited. And then, I mean, a good leave-in. I always need a good leave-in. Like, this is always put leave-in in your hair. Your hair will thank you. So this is everything. I wonder if I can grab it all. Here we go. Creme of Nature, thank you. curlBOX, thank you. Another happy month for me. Can't wait to see what I get next, and I can't wait to try all these. All right, until next time, bye.